Vicky took 400 milligrams of ibuprofen to relieve knee pain. The amount in milligrams, as a function of elapsed time in hours, is f of t equals 400 times 0.71 to the t. Approximate the rate of change of the amount of ibuprofen in Vicky's body with respect to the number of hours elapsed, when t equals 4.
So t equals 4 is like here?
Yeah.
So, at that point?
Great. So what I'm thinking is, let's take a t that's one smaller and then t that's one bigger, and do like the change of y and change of x. So we could do so if we have this, we can use, oh, I'm sorry about that. It's a 1. So if we use this kind of formula, we can do t equals 3 and t equals 5, and that way when you do it, you would get,
Okay.
and then get that slope.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that's gonna, it'll be something along the lines of like, let's see if I can like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think that would be a good approximation. But like, could we make it better by making it like a smaller, like intervals? Maybe like we could do like 3 to 4. Like,
Maybe.
I don't know if that would. I'm not good at drawing signs, but I guess that looks like way too steep now.
Yeah, that might be too steep. Like if we did 3 and 4.
I guess it'd be the same with 4 and 5, but it'd be less steep.
Yeah.
Than what we want.
So I'm thinking like if what we had was like, I don't know if it'll be like, I don't know if it's too high, but I also don't know if it's too low.
Mm-hmm. So like, how can I get a more accurate like approximation?
Mm-hmm.
Like
Without having it be
without
so steep or
yeah.
okay, so I mean, so we've said so far t equals 3 and t equals 5, but we also said t equals 3 and t equals 4.
Mm-hmm.
And we want to get, like, we want to be as close to 4 as possible.
Yeah.
So, like, could we possibly do something like I guess, like, t equals 3.9?
Okay.
And then, so, like, we'll do, like, t1 equals 3.9, and then, like, t2 equals 4.1.
Mm-hmm.
Because then that would get us something like there, and then we would get,
Be a lot closer.
yeah, which would get us this line here, which seems a little bit more accurate than,
Yeah.
I guess, the larger intervals.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess, like, the smaller the interval, the more accurate it could be.
Yeah. But like, how small do we need to make
Yeah.
it to make it?
Like, do we have to go smaller than this?
Mm-hmm.
We might.
I mean, like, we could always make it go smaller. That
Yeah.
was the issue.
Hmm.